Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, today's video is going to be a short video regarding your concerns in the comment section. That is, Textnow is not working in India, and Textnow is not working, and other any ways, and the reasons why this is happening. Well, in this video, I'll be informing and clearing all your doubts regarding the short informative. I mean, the short. What to say it? Well, let's just say put I'll be informing you about the text now not working in India and what are the solutions in order to resolve it and what are the reasons why this is happening. Okay, this is just going to be an informative video. This is not going to be an in-depth technical video. There are technical videos and I'll teach you how to solve the problems. Uh, so do not skip any part of this video and watch this video until then. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button, the bell button near the subscribe button in order to get daily updates from my channel. So guys, now let's just not waste any more time and let's just really dive into the video. Well, as you can see in the screen, this is the Textnow application, but you won't be able to install it via the Play Store if you live in countries outside US or Canada, especially Asians. Well, this is happening because of the Textnows update of 2023. Well, if you want to learn more about the Textnow update of 2023, then I'll leave this video's link in the description and the first comment. So please go check it out if you want to know exactly what is happening in the world of virtual numbers and everything. If I'm going to just give you a brief intro, this all started in the year 2023. That's why I'm calling it the Textnow update 2023. And well, right now when I'm taking this video, it's actually December 2023. The year is going to end, but this all began in the mid 2023. From the time all of the top applications for virtual numbers are facing the problems. In this video, like I told before, is going to be a short video, so I'm not going to cover the in-depth things. If you want to learn more, just go watch this video. This video's link, like I told before, is going to be available in the description and the first comment. I'll be pinning the first comment. So if you just go and check out the comment section before leaving this video or leaving or closing this video, there is going to be this video's link, and there are also going to be many more videos link, which is obviously going to help you. So please go take a look at the comment section before you close or leave this video. Now, after the Textnow update 2023, there are mainly four problems which users are facing in the Textnow application. The four errors are going to be this one error, installation error, that is the app which is available in the Play Store is not going to be available for us to download. That is the first error. The second error is going to be when you are making an account, you would receive this error. This is the most common error which is occurring in the Textnow application. Actually, all of these errors are solvable. After displaying all of these errors, I will show you how you could solve the errors. This is the second error, that is the Textnow sign up error. I am calling it the sign up error. I don't know what you people may name it. You could also call this error because this error is caused that Textnow is unavailable in your country. The third error is when you are going to choose or designate an area code. An area code is a 3-digit number with which will show and depict that which area are you from. For example, if you choose your area code to be 315, then it would mean that you are from New York, etc. Now, the fourth and final error is going to be your account has been disabled error. Well, this I should say this is the most irritating error which made me furious about this application and made me uninstall or move to other few of these alternatives. If you want to learn more what are the other alternatives for Textnow application, then please go take a look at this video. This video is going to be helpful to you in a lot of ways. Now, I was telling to you guys that I was showing you guys the four errors, right? So what are the ways to solve the four errors? Well, each and every error requires you to make few steps or do few steps to solve each of those separators. So for example, if you are facing the Play Store sign up error, you have to follow a certain set of steps to resolve the error. And then if you are facing your account has been disabled error, then you would have to uh, follow certain steps or rules in order to resolve the error. Well, like I told you before, this is going to be a short video. I'm trying to end this video before 10 minutes. I don't know how long this video is going to take, but still, if you want to learn more or how to learn how to solve the videos, then please go take a look at this video. This video is a very helpful one. This video is one of the best videos I posted in my entire channel. This video will teach you, navigate you to solve each and every problems. Well, this video is just a 30 minutes to 27 seconds video. So guys, take a look at this video. Now guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. Like I told before, this was just an informative video, not an in-hand teaching you method on how to solve the problems and stuffs. So guys, with this, I hope you would understand that why Textnow is not available in India and is not working in India, and not only in India but in almost all the countries outside the US or Canada, and it's mainly focusing on the Asian countries. Well, if you go, take a look at the techno update, you would know why. So guys, like I told before, I hope this video is helpful to you and you learned something. If it was, then go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And guys, like I told before, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button, the bell button, and the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And finally, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next video. Until then, it's me Surya Prakash signing off. Bye.